guys, my name is Ayashee and welcome to today's video. So for today I will be comparing two of my all-time favorite foundations. One is Maybelline Fit Me and another one is Dior. So yeah, let's go. So I will be individually reviewing these products and I also will be applying it on my face as a final comparison to show you guys if the difference in price in both of them are justified. The full video of Dior's 4WO shade on Indian skin tone will be down below in the description box, so you guys can check it out from there. I love both of these foundations so much. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in the shade 120A. This is how it looks. I'm sure you guys are aware of this product already. So yeah, it claims to have SPF 22, which is really nice. We love a SPF in a foundation, and it also gives a mattifying clay but a shine-free look on your face, and it also gives a matching natural tone, which again is a really good thing in a foundation, so that it does not look cakey, so that it does not look like you have a white cast on your face. So this product has a shelf life for 3 years and it comes for a price of $2.99 and you get 1.8 ml of product with it. So yeah, that's all about this product. Now let's move on to the next product, which is Dior. So I'm not going to talk a lot about this product because I already have a full review on this product. So yeah, link will be down below in the description box. For this video's sake, I am going to tell you guys the shade which I'm using, that is 4WO, and also you get 50 ml of product in this, and the price is 3,500. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much all you need to know about the properties. It feels very lightweight. It also have a mattifying finish and also gives that natural glow. It does not feel heavy at all. You would not feel like you have any layers on your skin. This also comes with SPF, so overall the properties are very much similar, but the only difference is in the price range. Like, it's huge. So let's try it out and see the difference it creates on the skin when you apply it.
So first of all, I'm starting off with my most trusted product which I use as a moisturizer, which is this aloe vera gel. I think this aloe vera gel creates a perfect base for applying foundation, at least on my skin tone, but you guys can use any kind of moisturizer which you like to use before your foundation. So I quickly apply it on my entire face, and then I'm going to move on with the first foundation, which is Maybelline. I just take a little bit amount of it and then I'm going to put it on one side of my face, and yeah, this is how I put it, and then I'm simply going to dab it in with a wet beauty blender. So the texture of this product is a little bit runny for my choice, but if you take the right amount, I love how easily it blends on the skin. It just looks like a little bit of a white cast on my face, which is like one of the cons of this product. Like, it just does not look like my natural skin tone, but yeah, overall I love how naturally it blends, and I think it's a pretty good foundation for using on an everyday basis. So this is how one side of my face looks. It looks very natural, and yeah, you would require an additional concealer with this product, and you can go for 2 to 3 layers, but it does not make much difference, at least in my point of view. It just turns out to be more cakey than mattifying. Now I'm going to take the Dior foundation, again taking only a little bit amount of it, and then I'm going to apply it on the other side of my face. This foundation is my absolute favorite. It easily blends in and it looks like my natural skin, a skin with a filter on, but it's actually your skin. So I know most of us do not prefer a foundation while traveling, but I would easily apply it even while traveling because that is how lightweight it feels on your skin. If you want, you can add in more layers to make it mattifying, and it still does not look like you have applied layers, and it does not look cakey, which I love about this product. So yeah, it's done, and I know it looks pretty similar on camera, but you can see that on the Dior side it looks like I have no pores at all. Also, the Maybelline one looks like a little bit of whitish cast on my face, but the Dior one looks like my actual natural skin tone, if you see clearly.
I have heard about the claims of both of the products and I have showed you guys the application, and I think it's been like 7 to 8 hours and you guys can see my face. It still looks very mattified. So this is the Dior side, this is the Maybelline side. I think the difference is just in the feeling because on camera it looks pretty even. For the Dior side, it feels, as I said, its skin like. You guys can see it's a very beautiful natural foundation. If you guys are into natural dewy look, I love this foundation for that. And yeah, it just gives a very different kind of a smell. Now if you guys do not like smell or like smell, do not worry, because this is just a beautiful heavenly smell this product has. It is not intoxicating at all. It's buildable, so you can apply 2 layers to make it mattified. I like the natural glowy look, but if you want a mattified look with this product, you need to have a little bit of patience, because as you guys can see, it gets oxidized very soon. Also, if you have oily skin, then get ready to get that natural glow all from inside with this product. I think there's an absolute need of a compact powder with a Maybelline Fit Me's foundation to keep it intact as matte. One thing I have to say is that it does not feel like I have done any heavy makeup or applied a lot of product on my face on both of the sides, because both of them give a very seamless finish and very comfortable look on your skin. Go for 2 to 3 layers with this product and you would not feel heavy, but that is not the same thing with this product. After you apply 2 to 3 layers to mattify this product, it starts to feel a little bit heavy, and if it's summer season, if you're sweating, then yeah, all the product is gonna come off. The thing is that this product is sweat resistant and water resistant, so it would not come off on your tissue or handkerchief when you're rubbing your face, even in summers and monsoons. So that was the final comparison test between the two. Overall, I would say that both of these products are really good. There are just a little bit of cons. I would say if you can really manage this product well, it is not going to be a con, because it's a great affordable foundation which I still use to this day. I keep this only for, you know, heavy events and occasions. So this is Dior and this is Maybelline. This is more affordable, so it is going to have some cons, but are the cons really something which makes this product like totally trash? I don't think so. So yeah, if you are someone who wants a really good foundation, go for it. But if you want a budget friendly foundation that still works, I still think this is better than fine, then you can definitely go for it. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down any questions which you might have. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Till then, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. You do not have to, but you can, and I would really appreciate. And yeah, do not forget to check the review on this product. Link will be down below in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.